Animated elements are a great way to add a little pizzazz to your project. To do this, go to the left-hand side and choose Elements. And then from here, you can choose from a wide range of different items for your project. For this item in particular, I just want to add a very simple, just line element to the bottom of the Be Brave. So for this, in the selection tool, I can actually choose Animated. And then from here, I'm going to search for the lines that would be perfect for this graphic. Once I've chosen those, I can drop them into the project and adjust them how I see fit. And then another thing that I really like to do to add visual interest to the text is go up to the Animate button. And from here, I can pick different ways that both the text graphic as well as the line graphic actually comes into the piece.